Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to YK65JWE YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video presentation of this gorgeous triple black 320 diesel M Sport estate we have in. Presented in sapphire black metallic, fitted with some gorgeous YK65 styling upgrades. Purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll talk you through some of the features and options as well as some of the styling enhancements which we've carried out in-house. Each and every car that comes through, we like to give it a video appraisal for you just to help make that buying decision a little bit easier, to keep you informed. Facelift model, it's 2015 65 reg, so LED headlights with gloss black kidney grills and three-piece M Performance style front splitter. Satin black 20-inch wheels just fitted with brand new tyres, which totally transform the look of the car. Matte black side vinyls with M Performance logo, carbon mirror upgrade, privacy glass, LED tail lights, automatic boot, and there you see the gloss black rear diffuser. As you'd expect, huge boot room, and with the option to fold the rear seats. Very tidy for its age and mileage. We'll have a new MOT and a new service. 2 keys present with this vehicle. Black Dakota leather, heated front seats, electric folding mirrors, all electrics and electrical adjustable mirrors as well. Automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers and park distance control. Professional widescreen media, as you see there. Bluetooth phone, audio and media playback. In terms of service history, I believe there's only one on the iDrive on this one, so it's been serviced independently after that. As I mentioned, it will have a service before it leaves us, so it will be up to date. Really well presented interior as well. Rear centre armrest, Isofix rear bench, auxiliary USB, DAB as usual. HP available. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you.